Because you're reliving all the little things that people are saying. You want to put that up on Facebook or something, but it's not.
It's the best line ever.
It's the best line ever.
One of the highlights. Wow. Oh, drink. Yes. You know.
Mommy! Mommy!
Oh,
The camera.
it's here. Daddy Shanna looking at us again.
Want a picture?
No, I want to see the picture.
You got a good view. See it?
Yeah.
So Tito Art,
Oh.
Tito Art, you left me hanging last night.
Hindi ka pala lasing kahapon. Akala ko lasing ka.
So what's the answer?
Lini-research ko pa.
Ano ba yung tinatanong ko?
Yun.
Actually, si Tita Cynthia mo called eh. Tumawag. Sino mo lang kausap? Angel.
Dito tumawag.
Wala ka na daw sa listahan.
Wala ka na spamana.
Oh, wala ka
Baka sa happy birthday emails, wala na ako.
Oh, sa happy birthday wala ka na.
Kaya nga magsa-start tayo sa sarili natin eh.
Oh.
Saka kay Sister Pe sa prayers.
Kailangan mo pa naman yun.
Sending Milian, Arvin, and Monique na lang.
Kailangan anak nila.
Tumawag si ano eh. Tumawag si ano. Nakasap si Angel.
Wala ka ng gas station, man.
What is that?
Sino ba? Sino ba siya natutulog? Sabi, wala niyo kung sino pang natutulog. Siya, Victor. Alam na alam eh. Tsaka pinakalasing.
Pinakalasay sa